It is 4:59 and my online shop is about to go live. 5 o'clock p.m. Disable my password. Online store is live. I'm nervous. I don't know if anybody's gonna buy anything. My shop has been open for 24 hours and I think I sold 31 mugs in that time. Now, I can't be in business if I don't have a sign, right? Check this out. I painted this. I painted this on canvas. Oak Creek Pottery sign. I'm gonna hang it up right here behind me. First I gotta put some grommets in this. Sincerely, thank you everybody. I had family, I had friends, I had complete strangers all purchase mugs in the last day, and it's exciting. Seriously, thank you everybody. I'm about to get the orders started. I have boxes here, all the packing materials here, so I'm about to start fulfilling those and boxing them up and getting them out the door. Really quickly, I want to give a huge shout out to my cousin Christopher. Thank you. Christopher helped me set up all the website stuff, the shipping side of things, all of the logistical technology side of things, and I couldn't have done it without him, so thank you, Christopher. So to prepare for this, I've got 2 different boxes. These are for single mugs, these are for double mugs. I've got a bunch of packing peanuts, bubble wrap, packaging tape, my business cards, my stickers. These are all the shipping labels I have printed. The first thing I'm gonna do is tape up a bunch of the single boxes and just get a base of packing peanuts at the bottom of that. My next step is to cut a bunch of bubble wrap to length. I'm cutting about 3-foot lengths here. Each mug will be nice and secure in a bed of bubble wrap first. And that will be surrounded by the packing peanuts. So here's how this goes down. I got a shipping label here, and this person bought mug number 13, which I have labeled on the mugs. I am happy that this person is getting this mug. This is a beautiful mug. Okay, so I write a little thank you note on the back of my business card. That goes into the mug like that. A couple stickers go in the mug. Then I wrap all of this in bubble wrap. Take the bubble wrap. Now this is nice, secure package. Business cards, stickers are inside the mug. And now this is gonna go into one of my boxes. The trick here is that the mug floats, okay? It is completely surrounded by packing peanuts. And you gotta pack them in. Pack them into every side. All around. That way the mug is floating in the middle of the corrugated box. And if you pack it in tight, that floating mug cannot move around. It can never get to the walls of the box. All of this is nice and secure. Now you really gotta smash all of this down in here. This is the tricky part. This is a very secure package. I even made a little video for my Instagram. Ever heard of Instagram? That shows how durable this is, taking a beating from the United States Postal Service. Can I show you that little video clip right now? Perfect. So as you can see, this box can take a beating, and because the mug is completely surrounded by those packing peanuts, there's no movement. This can't go anywhere. Now, the shipping label goes on this. Now I'm going to put a couple fragile stickers on this. And that is ready to go. One done, many more to go. It is the next day. I'm here at the post office, and look at all these packages that are ready to go out in the mail. All right, so my online store has been up for about a week and a half, and I sold out of everything except for this mug, which I took off the site, and I'm gonna give this mug away in a future giveaway. So that's gonna be on my Instagram, which is Oak Creek Pottery, and I have a few really exciting videos that I have planned for this YouTube channel. So be sure to subscribe, smash that like button. No, okay. Thank you for watching. Thank you to everybody who purchased a mug. Sincerely, thank you, thank you, thank you. So even though the studio is clean right now, it won't be for long. I'm gonna get clay, gonna start throwing on the wheel and remaking my second batch of beautiful mugs. I'm gonna try out different glazes. I have all these plans. They're gonna be a little bigger too this time. I will see you in the next video. Peace.